If you have a duplicate WhatsApp contact and your contact is not syncing on your WhatsApp, I will show a quick method to how to delete and sync. Let's get started. Before that, please make sure to subscribe. Step 1. Go to your settings, scroll down, select password and accounts, select WhatsApp here. Make sure to click this syncing icon and turn it off. Wait 10 to 15 seconds and turn it on. This will give an indication to WhatsApp to sync the contact. Step 2. Go back to account, scroll up and select apps. Expand this to see all the apps. Select the WhatsApp, select permissions. Under not allowed section, select the contacts. Make sure to allow the contact for WhatsApp. This way contact will sync and remove the duplicates. And final method, this is a very crucial one. Go to your home screen, open your Play Store, search duplicate contact remover, and then click the first result. And this one have 1 million downloads, so it's a really good software. Click install. Once it's installed, make sure to open it and click find duplicate contacts, and it will show you all the duplicate contacts here, and you can go through by yourself, and if everything okay, you can click delete icon. This way you can remove all your duplicate contacts. And that's it. Your duplicate contact problem should be fixed by now. If this video helped, make sure to hit the subscribe button.